know me, you know that this is my like go-to style. Guys, so this is the finished look of this unit. So this video today is sponsored by Hurela Hair Company. I've worked with this company this year and in the past. I absolutely love this company. So this time around I decided to do a 13x4 unit. Now you guys know I love my glam styles, my everyday girl styles. In the wintertime, you guys know I'm obsessed with kind of like curls, layers, a little bit of a bang, a little bit of everything. So I wanted something that was a little bit on a medium hair length look. You guys know I like my hair to be kind of medium length in the fall time. Sometimes I'll go for a nice long unit, but I like to have like a naturally flawless fun look for the winter time. So this unit is 18 inches long. It is a body wave texture, and like I said, it's 13x4 lace cap. This unit is very, very nice, guys. It's a natural lace, very, very realistic. Now with this styling today, I really kept it very basic. I did not use any glue, and I only used my Even Wonder Lace product. I brag about this product all the time, guys. There will be a link down below. Check my Amazon storefront. So with this unit today, I kept it very simple, guys. I did not do anything as far as tweezing this hair. I kept the hair just the way it came. I did my sideburns per usual because you know you got to do a little bit of baby hair magic on this one. As far as the cap color, I did show you guys the cap before, and then after I put the cap on my head, I did go ahead and use my lace tinting spray for this one, the medium brown color. This one just definitely seals everything together. Initially when I got this unit, I wasn't going to bleach the knots on this unit, but I realized that the knots needed to be bleached a little bit. So I did go ahead and bleach the knots, and after bleaching the knots, I added my spray on, and the unit just looks absolutely stunning, guys. Very, very natural and realistic. I didn't have to add any top powder on it. I just sprayed the cap and I'm good to go. So you guys can see I did baby hair magic on both sides because you have to have it all the way equal. One thing I want to say about this company is that the cap size is the medium to average cap size. So I did not have to customize any ear tabs. The unit landed right here, right here. It literally landed where it's supposed to land, so that made it very easy. So if you're like a medium to average cap size head, the unit is going to fit you perfectly. It fit my head to the T. I did add very light layers in the front right here, guys, just to kind of frame my face. You guys know I like to get a little scissor happy, especially when it comes to a body wave texture, a curly type of you know, a curl style unit that I like to do. I absolutely love to add layers to it. You guys obviously can see there's a layer that pulled out in the front right here. Very nice, gives it more of a sexy holiday glam or sexy everyday girl style. I absolutely love wearing my hair like this. I feel like my hair, I get the most compliments with hairstyles like this because just people, you know, when the wind catches it, it's giving vibe. So I'm always giving that vibe. So I thought that this unit was very pretty, guys. Something simple. I know a lot of you guys don't like those extra long hairstyles. I'm the type of girl that likes it short, medium, and long, but not long all the time. I'll take like a mid-length hairstyle just because that's my jam and that's my vibe. Overall, I'm very satisfied with this unit. I think this unit came off really nice. I was worried about the 18 inches. I almost got a 16 inch, but I feel like the 18 inch is good. If I want to, I can go ahead and trim the hair up a little bit, maybe up to here if I want to, just to give me a real nice choppy vibe. And then what I would actually do with this one is curl the hair and then leave the ends straight just to give it more of like a rustic type of look. Because you guys can see it has that potential to have that kind of fun rustic type of look. So if you know me, you know that this is my like go-to style. I do styles like this with just about any hair that's a body wave texture. As long as it's giving body wave bounce, the curls are always going to come out magnificent. So I'll leave all the information down below, guys. You guys know it's Black Friday season, so there's definitely a lot of promotionals and sales going on. If you're interested in copying a unit like this, which is actually a pretty glueless unit, if you saw in the beginning of the video, there is an adjustable strap on this one, so that's the reason why I didn't have to glue this one down with like heavy glue. All you got to do is use a spray. If you're looking for a very simple, basic 13x4 unit that doesn't need a lot of glue, a lot of work, that's pretty much glueless, I definitely recommend checking out Hurela-Hair this season. I will leave any coupon codes down below, guys, per usual. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video. Leave your comments down below. Subscribe and share this video with your friends and family. People, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.